What's good, YouTube? It's your boy The Laws reacting. Today I got another video for y'all. Today we got the NFL press the wrong button moments. I have no idea what this video is gonna hold. Don't know what this is about, right? Probably, I don't know. We're gonna have to find out, right? So, before we start the video, if you haven't already, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the video. Hit that post notification bell every time I drop a new video. Follow my Twitter and Instagram. Both of those links will be down below. I'll have this video, its link in the description box down below as well. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's see what this video is talking about. Oh, there's a part 1 to this? Oh. I mean, he wasn't touched, but he gave himself up. I remember that play. Oh, boy, here we go. This man Daniel Jones, bro. I don't understand how you not score a touchdown, bro. Come on now. That's sad, bro. Is it like if that was Lamar, bro? He would have ran. Come on, Lamar would have scored, bro. Come on now. Yo, Allen was on drugs that play, bro. I don't know. I understand his method, bro, but nah, you can't do that, bro. Especially when you're trying. I don't know. They're trying to top the game, I think. Was that the right? Who's the Cowboys quarterback? Who? Oh my gosh. The Cowboys are so irrelevant, but they just get so much attention. What? Oh my gosh. What, bro? Who is this quarterback, bro? I never heard of this quarterback. That was I don't know. Oh no, that was unnecessary, bro. Come on now. We gonna have to fight over that. The butt fumble. That's sad, bro. That's a damn shame. You can't do that, bro. I mean, yeah, he could have went out of bounds. Yeah, he could have went out of bounds. Bro, who are you throwing to, bro? Are you blind? Bro, these quarterbacks, bro, I just don't know. It's like they face pressure and then they just throw it to anybody, bro. It's just like the dumbest play in NFL history, yo. Bro, all you had to do is run the ball. This play still it blows me still, even like 6 years later. He had him flying. This man fumbled, bro. Jesus, man. Now what do you, bro? What the fuck, bro? What do you, bro? Just hold on to the ball. It's like you trying to be a superhero for what? Oh, Brandon Wheaton, bro. Come on now. He was like, here. Come on. Go. Go ahead, bro. I mean, he scored, but dang, bro. Come on now. Have some awareness. I know you're excited you got the fumble, man, but jeez, I don't know if you thought he was down, but Mahomes, bro, just he still got the first down. He's doing all that dancing. He still got it. You gotta give him that. Yeah, let's just throw it up. It's like, bro, these quarterbacks, man. RG3, man, come on. Was that his rookie year? I don't remember. I don't know what Joe is. Who is 38, bro? It's like he missed the tackle and then what? Oh man, these NFL players. That's why you don't show ball early. Idiot. Come on now. I think we've seen this play. Bro, it's just like, bro, you cost your team the game, bro. I'd be heated. Bro, you gotta see me in the locker room after the game. I don't think it wasn't necessary to do all that now. Who is he throwing to? Oh, man. Jeez, he got lit up, boy. He got lit like a Christmas tree. Boy, keep your eyes, bro. Come on now. He got clean. Jeez. That's why you can't look back. You gotta keep looking, you know, to score. You didn't have to do all that far. He took the knee. What the heck? What the heck? Can they just kick the field goal? Oh no. Yup. That was that Deshaun Jackson play I was talking about in one of the other videos against the Cowboys. It's like these quarterbacks just throw it up. You're facing pressure, you just gotta throw up. It's like, bro, who are you throwing to? Yo, is that Sanders? Yo, Sanders straight kicked yo. Sanders gave you that karate chop. Oh, dang, that's the end of the video? Dang, that was fast. Alright. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this video. Alright, so, like I said again, if you haven't already, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Follow my Twitter, Instagram, both of those will be down below. The video link will also be down below too as well. Without further ado, I'm out.